Hi, we're doing a Pilates inspired workout today for our upper body and arms, and we're gonna start on all fours. So to me, one of the best ways to work our arms are in this weight bearing position, and I know it can be hard on the wrists, so we're gonna talk about that first. What I want is for you to think about spreading your fingertips wide and then trying to put pressure instead of back into your wrists themselves. Think about putting a little more pressure right where your fingers meet your hand, okay? So right at the base of your fingers here, not your fingertips, but right there at the base. Think about a little bit of pressure there and weight into that area. Now, the important part is to bend your elbows slightly. So what we're doing here, instead of locking out your arms, which just dumps into your wrists, by bending your elbows a little bit, you're making your triceps work. That's why we don't want to do it, because we tend to be weak in our arms, but it's going to make all the difference as you start to build your arm strength in this position, okay? So now from here, what I want you to do is bring your right arm forward. Then slowly start to lift it up towards the ceiling, eyes on your hand, and then bring it forward again. Okay, same thing. Reach it up, 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 and maybe this time you go a little farther back and then forward. So we're building on our first video, right, which was our Pilates inspired workout for our head and our neck. So we've loosened up our head and neck, and now we can get into that range of motion and into the arm work. On this one, reach it all the way back. Nice job. Reach it forward again. Stay here and pulse. 8, 7, my arms lifting, lifting. 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring it back down. Nice job. Left arm comes forward. Pause for a moment. Then start to lift it up, keeping your eyes on your hands. So we talked about this too, that your head is going to go where your gaze goes. Okay, and then you come forward again. So to help get you into the position, think about keeping your eyes on your hand. So we're really getting into our shoulders and into some awesome twisting for the spine, which we need as well. Okay, one more. Come all the way up, 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 and then reach the arm back. Maybe you can turn and look at it, and then all the way up forward, and little pulses of the arm up. Up. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring it back down. Nice job. Hands are going to come a little wider on your mat. So almost to the edge. You're still on all fours here, and I want you to bend your elbows and see how close you can get your nose or your chest down to the mat, and then press back up. So this is a modified or a variation of a push-up. And you can stay right here if you need to. This is a great position to be in. This is where I always came back after my surgeries. Anytime I was building back to a push-up, I would just do it right here on all fours. If you're comfortable and you want to bring your knees back so you're in more of a plank position, then come right here. Okay. You're not crossing your ankles, and you just think more of that plank. Just 2 more. I know I just jumped you right into push-ups, but sometimes it's better just not to think about it. Nice job. Press yourself back. We're going to come forward again. Hands again are wide. Same idea. Spread your fingertips. Elbows are slightly bent. Step 1 foot back. Step the other foot back and find your plank. And if you're not ready for this, you're just going to stay on all fours, okay? Keep your knees down. Hold it here and breathe. 3, 2, 1. Take your hips up and back into your down dog position. And same thing, you can be right on all fours, okay? So you're going to be more like quadruped position if you need to. And if you're up here, you can walk it out. Nice job. Okay, now I'm going to have you walk your hands back towards your feet. Okay, and now when you're ready, walk your hands back out. Walk back in. walk back out. Nice. Stay here. Tap opposite shoulders. And again, your variation is doing it right here on all fours, okay? Trust your upper body to get stronger and to be able to do this. 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice job. Knees come down. Shift yourself back. Now we have one more variation of all of that. Restack your spine. So we're going to come and be on our toes here. And I'm going to show you what's coming so you can pick a different variation if you need to. We're going to walk ourselves out. So it's similar to what we just did, but instead of coming up to that down dog position, I'm staying down low. Okay, so I'm walking myself out to a plank and I'm walking myself back in, but my knees just stay hovered the whole time. So your variation for that is to do it just here with your knees on the ground, okay? But really important for the body to learn how to, this is called a weight shift. I'm shifting my weight from side to side. We do it in our legs every time we walk, and it's really great to learn how to do it in our arms too. Okay, not to mention it's just kind of fun and playful, and it works your arms. You just gotta trust me. Okay, next one, we're gonna walk out and stay there. So same, just stay on your knees if you need to. Left hand comes to center. I'm gonna rotate and open up side plank. So if I'm on my knee, I'm here, okay? Hold it, 3, 2, 1. Come to center, walk it back, walk it out. Right hand comes to center, open and rotate and hold. You can have your knees down, 3, 2, 1. Center, walk it back. We're gonna do one more of those on each side, okay? So I'm walking it out. My left hand comes to center, I open and hold, 3, 2, 1. Center. Walk it back. Walk it out. Open. Hold. 3, 2, 1. Center. Walk it back. Knees down. Shift your weight back. Nice job. Restack. And then you're going to sweep your legs around in front of you. So you're going to have your legs mat distance apart. Sit up nice and tall. And your arms are going to be here. So my elbows are at my sides. Palms are facing down. My arms are going to come up at an angle. Lower, tap the mat. Lift all the way up. Sweep around and back in to center. So I'm going up and out, down tap, all the way up, around, starting. A big part of this is keeping yourself upright. Okay, so I don't want you leaning forward or leaning back. Last one. This is a variation of what we do in the reformer. Nice job. Reach your arms out now so they're out straight in front of you. Right arm comes up, opens, turn and look, and forward. Same on the other side. So does this look familiar? This is what we started with. Okay, there's a rhyme to the reason, a method to the madness. So I love working my arms with weights. I have a lot of videos with that, and it's how I like to work out at home as well. And I complement that with workouts like this, with mobility, with getting my spine moving. This is gonna keep my joints healthy, keep my posture nice and tall, okay? Functional, being on all fours like that, crawling around with my kids. One more each side. So that's why I love both. Combine my Pilates, my mobility, my strength with some weights. Arms back in. Nice job. Hands behind you. Bend your knees. Bring your legs together. Fingertips are gonna face my heels. You're gonna bend your elbows and straighten. So I'm doing a little tricep dip here. Elbows bend back and in. And if you want to progress it from here, you're gonna lift your tail and do the same thing. So my tail taps up, taps up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice job. Hips down, arms sweep up, and then stretch yourself forward. Restack. Do it one more time. And restack. And great job sticking with it and working your upper body on the mat. I'll see you soon.
Thanks so much for stopping by. Remember, subscribe to my channel and you'll be notified every time a new video comes up. Like and comment on this video and let me know what you thought. You can also always come over to jessicavalantpilates.com to find all the resources I have for living a healthy lifestyle, including full-length workout videos, healthy recipes, and a community I would love for you to be a part of. So I'll see you there.